Professional Inspection Service brings you Flip House Fails, yet another edition of Flip House Failures. Hi, it's a Professional Inspection Service coming to you from inside of another one of these Flip House things. And one of the things I wanted to show you is somebody thought it would be really cute to put these sinks like this. They put a faucet in here. The problem is, if you have water running and you go to switch from one sink to the other without turning off the water, you're actually going to flood your kitchen. The other thing that they did was when they ran the plumbing in here, they didn't plumb it correctly. So we're going to watch this for a little bit fill up right here, and you can hear it filling up the garbage disposal side. So why is that happening that way? Well, let's take a look underneath the sink and see what we can find down here. Come down here and start looking, and we notice that the garbage disposal line sits downhill from the main plumbing. And if we put our line level on here, and you can see that the waste disposer is draining uphill, and the same with our main drain for the sink is draining uphill and actually draining downhill into the garbage disposal. So Johnny do-it-yourselfer who put this together when they were getting ready to flip the house just didn't do it right. So once again, we got another one of our Flip House fails. For all your inspection needs, be sure to call a Professional Inspection Service at 850-916-7669 or find us on the web at a-proinspects.com.
Google A Pro Home Inspections, delivering home ownership with peace of mind. Call 850-916-7669.